Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chili at home. First, let's talk about browning your meat. Use about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey. Cook it in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's fully browned. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Remember to drain any excess fat before moving on to the next stage, ensuring your chili isn't too oily. Next, we'll build the flavor foundation. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, cooking until they're soft and fragrant. Then, stir in your spices, about 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Toast these spices for about 1 minute with the aromatics. This brief toasting step really brings out their full, warm flavors, making your chili incredibly aromatic. Now it's time to bring everything together for that rich, deep chili flavor. Add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 cup of beef broth, and a half cup of tomato paste to your pot. Stir well to combine. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 1 hour, stirring occasionally, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. Finally, let's perfect your chili. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, pepper, and perhaps a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Serve your delicious homemade chili hot with your favorite toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. It's truly satisfying. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.